Guys, this is Nuneka and today I want to show you one of my favorite techniques with Lindy's. You know me, I love this kind of dreamy and lovely projects, and for that I often use this technique to create the background. I usually do this with blues and grays to create that feeling of a snowy atmosphere or blue sky, but today I want to do it in pink and peach, so you can see it can be done with any colors. So I'm going to create two beautiful tags, and for that I cut the two pieces of watercolor paper that I'm wetting now. I wet both sides so they don't bend while I'm working. I make sure all the paper is wet before I start adding the colors, and for that I'm going to use some of my favorite magicals. For this technique we need flat surface. All the texture and elements of the composition, I will add them later. I sprinkle magicals on the wet surface kind of randomly, even though I always start with the lightest color. And you will see me, I'm spraying water from time to time with a mini mister because I want the color to flow and blend all the time. You will also see that I'm putting my fan brush many times in the jars, but that is because I add very little of the powder every time. I spray some water on top and I move the tags to make the color flow and blend. As I told you, I add very little, and if I need more color, only if I need it, I add more. It's better to do it this way in little steps. Now my tags are very peachy, so I need some pink. As you see, I move the paper from one side to the other like kind of round movement because I want the colors to blend, but I don't want it to be like one color. I still want all these shades or different colors in my tags. I dry the excess of water, but don't dry it completely. This is very important. It's the key of this technique. Now I make some splatters with the spray tube, and you can see how this white is blending with the other colors. This is creating all the magic on this dreamy effect, and you can do it as much as you want. Next step of the dreamy effect is to add some splatters and blur them. I like to use whitewash, but you can use gesso or acrylic paint too. I spray water on top before the splatters dry. And I move the tags in circles for the white to blend a bit. I'm adding some texture to the background with paste and a stencil. I start working on the elements of the composition. First, I cover a chipboard with white gesso and dry it. To add some shimmer, I'm going to spray with one of the colors I already used in the background. I'm picking the lightest one. But I still want some more of the shimmer, so I'm going to use embossing powder. I randomly add some of the ink, and now I sprinkle the powder and I'm going to melt it with the heat tool. Now the tag is ready to start gluing the composition. Another thing I love to do with magicals is to color my dies, so I just spray some water and randomly add the magicals. I don't want the dies to be completely covered with color, actually they look better with some white parts. So I pick a couple of colors, I sprinkle the magicals, and now I'm going to spray water on top again. I start gluing the elements of the composition. For the perfect dreamy effect, I need more white splatters, so I take my wash again and I do more splatters. That this time they are going to be more visible because the wash is a little bit thicker now. Finally, I place an eyelet and I tie some ribbons. My tags are done and I really love how they turned out. I hope you enjoyed the technique video today, and if you create any project with Lindy's using the Dreamy effect technique, please tag me. I would like to see what you have done and give you some love. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you click that bell, you are not going to miss any of our videos. See you soon, guys. Bye!